In this video, I want to show you how to fix a paper jam on your HP SmartTank 5103 printer. And what I'll show you next also works with many other SmartTank printers as well. So let's get started. So the first thing, once you're experiencing a paper jam, what I recommend is that you go on the back of the printer and you're gonna unplug the power cable, okay? So simply pull it out. Now, there's a few different places where we can check and unjam the printer. The first one and most obvious is to go right on the front and lower the front panel. You're going to take a look inside. And right over here, usually this is where the paper gets stuck. If the carriage with the print heads that is sliding left and right is not able to do so and there's something blocking, you will get the paper jam error. So this is why you need to inspect everywhere, and if you see anything, any paper, go ahead with your fingers and remove it, or with a pair of tweezers if it's too deep inside of the printer. So this was the first place where you can check. Another place you can go, remove the paper, and you're gonna take a look right over here. If you pull up this small cover, sometimes there's some paper that gets stuck close to that roller. I don't know if you see it. There's a gray roller inside. Actually, there's two of them, but over here, this is where some paper may also get stuck if they're not entering properly the printer. If they're a bit crooked, that's what will happen. So take a look over here and remove it with a pair of tweezers, probably, because with your finger, it's a bit hard to do so. Once you have connected the power cable, go ahead, press the power button, and the error, usually it's the E4 error, should disappear. If this was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, or if you have other tricks on how to solve a paper jam, leave them down below as well, and I'll see you in the next video.